Hello friends, welcome to a new session. In today's video, we are going to discuss about before steps, after steps. So let me go to my pom.xml. What I'm going to discuss about is a before step and after step. This before step and after step is only present when you are importing io.cucumber. Reminder, io.cucumber. If you are using InfoQux cucumber jars, you don't have before step and after steps. Okay. So remember, if you're using io.cucumber jars for JUnit and Java, then only you can use before steps and after steps. Okay, what do you mean by before steps and after step? So I have written some step for my scenarios, and for each steps I want to do some operation before the start of my steps and after the steps. Suppose I want to clean the data, I want to take the screenshot after the steps. I can do anything, whatever. I want to write a log. I want to store something, some variables. I want to go and check into database after every steps. So where I can use after steps and before steps. So I have four scenario steps here. So every after every steps I can execute. It will execute after steps, and before every step it will execute before steps. Okay, automatically. You don't have to write anything. So whatever you write there, it will execute after and before any of the step in your cucumber. So always remember, if you're using io.cucumber jar only, then only it is applicable. If you're using InfoQux, it is not applicable. Okay. So now let's go to the step definition. So in common step, what I have did it, I have just put it before step and after step. So this will perform every before steps, means after before a step is getting executed, it will execute it, and then this will execute. So if you have 10 scenarios and you have four steps, so every scenarios, every step, it will execute this one, and after every step, it will execute this one. Okay, cool enough? Good enough. So let's execute it. So I'm using this runner class. Okay, there's no difference in runner class with the InfoQux and io.cucumber. All are same. Okay, so let me run it. Ding 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 ding. Okay, so in between it's running. In InfoQux, you have just small difference. It's like when we are embedding a screenshot, it will run like it will go to the Gmail and give my username and password, and it will fail because I don't have a space for what do you call giving a password, because it is automated. Google has identified that we are using automated, so it is not giving me uh, password screen, because saying okay, something is already being supported. If you are already using a supported browser, you can refresh your screen and try and log in again, whatever it is. So in io.cucumber, basically we have uh, if you want to attach a screenshot of for failure or in every steps, you have to use scenario.attach. Okay, always remember this. In info.quicks in info.cooks jar, you have scenario.embed, but in io.cucumber we have scenario.attach. Only that is a difference. Always remember. Okay, now this has run. Now I want to check, does it printed the steps, like whatever the steps I have given. So let me check before step is doing or not, how many times it has did it. So let me search it. Yeah, it has run it before steps. You see, before starting my browser, which is coming inside my here. You see, my steps start from here in slicing a browser. Before that, it has executed this. Then, then this one. Then again one more here. You see, there is again before every step, and you see do some operation after every step. So once this step has done, it has done this one. So every step, then if I'm searching again, no more. Now after step, how many steps I have executed, because the test has got failed in between, so it has only two this. So this one, you see, after step and then tear down, see, two times it is there. Okay, so you can do anything, and it will execute automatically after step and before step if you want to do some operation. Thank you. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, please like it. Thanks.